overtoning. The first one is using the shamanic vowels. They are based on swa, and swa is a generic term in philology to represent the unheard sound in the English phonetics. For example, the schwa for a Scottish person, or for Yorkshire, or the common, or the so-called the royal accent, it's different, and for Americans it's different. But schwa is basically the ah. For example, for you, you see, and it can change. Sko, but in our language, in Estonian and in Finnish, the schwa has been written out through 4 different vowels: a, u. And to do overtones, you can practice doing a, u. Let's try together. For beginning, a. For a, the natural step is to go to and by the way, means night in Estonian, and in Finnish, night. And from we go to and from we go to and you see the last one, the is really nasal already. So doing them together, practicing like you see it goes to E in the end. These are the shamanic vowels. They help to transcend the unknown. They help to expand the mind. And when we do them, we start overtoning naturally. And it's an opposite to open vowels like It's an opposite because it goes into the nasal cords and begins to expand the nasal cavities. From there we get several different tones at the same time. So the second exercise for overtoning, there's a nice train going over a lake. So the second exercise is, imagine you're in a race car. You're in the WRC car, driving rally, and you're adjusting your speed. Or you're a Formula 1, it's a little bit higher, like. And when you do it slow, you're able to process the overtones, like. The rally exercise, the rally one, helps to keep the mouth in a more like O shaped. It's more open. But when you do the F1 Formula 1, like, it's more dense in the mouth, but it goes higher, like. And try to slow it down, then you get a better sound. And to hear your sound reflecting back, it's good to be in an echo chamber. It can be a staircase, a church, an old silo, a place where you have good acoustics, reflecting back the sound. And so the third exercise, it's singing the open vowel to a closed l. Like for example, you begin with the sequence is and then the And funny thing is, when my 2-year-old child listens to the overtoning, she starts doing automatically mudras, the Indian stuff, like, or the Sanskrit stuff, like mudras, putting her fingers in various different positions. That's fascinating for me, because those harmonic singing, the overtoning, it creates harmonic patterns in the body. So I hope you enjoyed, and check out the 8 exercises for the voice and subscribe. And there's a video where I explain the harmonics and the overtones in a more sophisticated way. So I hope these exercises were useful. Goodbye.